Welcome to part 3 of the GoingMake tool review. And everything's going to hinge on what we find out about this. So stick around. We'll be right back. Hey everyone, welcome back. So I'm James from Crow Haven Woodworks. So I've used a lot of concealed hinge jigs over the years, and the people over at GoingMake sent me this one here to try out, and we're going to delve into it and we're going to see if this is something that's going to take the place of these other ones that I've been using or not. Okay, no time like the present. Let's open this up and see what comes with this. So you got your owner's manual, and as you can see, it's got some pretty detailed instructions. Good pictures, very well written. And we'll pop this open. We'll start here. This is your drill guide. We'll get into this in a bit. This is for drilling your mounting holes. Right here is an adapter for dust collection, which I like, because with my other jigs, you don't get dust collection. You kind of got to hold your hose there and while you're doing it. We'll see how that works. You got a depth collar, a 5/64 drill bit for your mounting holes, and an Allen key. Now here's your jig. Again, with these GoingMake tools, these things are built very well. Very heavy duty aluminum. Imperial markings here. You have your offsets. This is for mounting your bit. Locks in. And the one thing I like too is it clamps on. Unlike the Craig, which I like this, you know, it's plastic, but it works very well. But you have to put your own clamps on here. And again, no dust collection. It does work very well though. So we'll see how that works. Take this out. Now we have our bit. Now, nice looking, very sharp. You want to see? This is 835 millimeter. But most of these Euro hinges are going to be coming in millimeters. All right. And that's what we got. Now we're going to put it to work and see how it does. Okay, we're all set up here, and for all intents and purposes, let's pretend that this is our door. So I took the liberty of installing a few things off camera, like this dust collection port here. It's 2 screws that holds that on. I have my hose, and with a little persuasion, that fits right on there nice. So what we're going to use is this overlay hinge. This has a 1/2 inch overlay, which means that this hinge is going to mount on the edge of the frame. The door is going to sit over the opening 1/2 inch on each edge. I installed our bit and I used a setup block to give this a 1/2 inch depth. You'll see there's a copper bushing washer here, and that just keeps this running nice so you're not running metal against the aluminum and wearing that out. So what we got is a 13/16 to the center of our hole. I went ahead and install our offset. So we're going to be 3 inches from the edge. Set these on the 4mm hole, and this is going to go, oops, that's going to go right there. That's going to hit that. That's going to give us our 3 inches to center, and that's going to give us our offset. And that clamps right on there. Now, we can take our hose and put that on. I really like this because normally I would have to hold this with one hand, drill with the other. And so we're going to put our bit plate in, and you're going to give it a little twist, and that's going to lock that right in. You grab a drill. All right. Okay, now we can get to business. So let me turn on the dust collection and let's drill a hole. Yeah, we got a few flakes here and there, but not nearly as much as you would have got without it. Give me a nice clean hole. Now we can go to our drill guide. So what you're going to do, you're going to look on your paperwork for your hinge, and you're going to see what your spacing is for your, which I have 45mm or 1 3/4. So what we're set up is on the 45. And don't put it in, you think you want to look at it this way where you're looking at it. It's actually going to go like this. We're going to get our drill bit. I'm going to eyeball this, but really you want to put some tape on here and kind of set your depth. You don't want to drill through your door. Basically, I'm just going to put a small pilot. Not going to go very deep. We can unclamp this. And we'll put our hinge in. Lines up perfectly. Grab a couple screws. And there you have it. One door. And like I said again, this thing's solid aluminum. All of it. I really like this. Well, you know what? I like it. I think this is going to replace these other ones that I've been using, and it's got a lot more features. It's very easy to use, and we'll try it on my next build and see what happens. But I think this is going in the drawer, and we're going to get a lot of use out of it. I will leave a link in the description so you guys can order this. Again, that's 3 for 3 with these GoingMake tools. I'm pretty impressed. So hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give me a like, a comment, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps us out. And we'll see you on the next one. Happy woodworking. Test. We're testing again. This is the test for the test for you. We are testing. How's it going? I just totally forgot what I was going to say. Whew. Man, that's some serious old timers setting in. Woo, doggy. Oh, yeah. All that and a cup of coffee.